Welcome to Minnesota.
We are in Minnesota. We stopped here at a rest area off of I-90. Darby needed a little potty break and a water break, and I need a little potty break. Jesse's gonna take a potty break. We are heading to our next little destination, so don't go anywhere. You get to see where we're going next.
Welcome to Wisconsin.
What little town this was?
No.
Oh. We're in a little town.
In a quarter mile, turn right to stay on Wisconsin 25 North.
We're at the Eau Galle Cheese Factory outside of Durand, Wisconsin. This is a really neat stop. They have the store with the cheese, and the factory is behind the store. They get their dairy for their cheeses from local dairy farmers. It's a family-owned business. They have award-winning cheese, and we're gonna go inside the store and we're gonna check this out. They also have ice cream. How's that ice cream?
That's good stuff.
What kind you get?
It's called Blue Moon. It's kind of like Fruit Loop flavor. It's really good.
Oh my. That looks good. Alright, the Eau Galle Cheese Factory was awesome. We got some, cheese curds. We got cheddar cheese curds and, what was it, ranch and something cheese curds and chili something cheese curds. I don't even remember now. And we got beef sticks. They're gone already. We are hungry. We haven't had lunch yet. We got that amazing ice cream. Oh, and I got some wine. Some Wisconsin wine. Yes, a Moscato, wasn't it? So that was a cool stop. If you guys get around the cheese factory, and super, super nice people in there. We really enjoyed that little stop. That was fun. That was a planned stop by me. Because I like cheese and wine. Alright guys, so hang on. We've got another video coming for our next stop. You want to be back for this one. It'll be great.